Hi everyone, my name is Luigi Leoni. I'm a professional guitar player and music teacher with more than 20 years of experience. I have performed all over the world in a variety of settings like acoustic duos, soul, funk, rock, blues bands, and I played Broadway shows in big bands on the biggest cruise ships of the world. My multi-stylistic courses are founded on the study from basic to advanced modern techniques. I love to teach and do so with great passion, encouragement and support to get you where you want to be. This approach has allowed me to collaborate with many students all over the world. I will inspire you and guide you on a beautiful path of learning guitar, teaching you the songs you have always dreamed of playing. I will provide you with a variety of guitar methods in PDF format and small video tutorials recorded by me after each lesson for your reference. Don't wait any longer, book your free trial lesson and let's get started today.